In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to add direction to your turtle. Let's go ahead and get started. Let me go ahead and name this Trinket adding direction. And let's go ahead and call our Python turtle library by typing import turtle. Let's go ahead and name our turtle. I'm going to go ahead and name the turtle Tina this time. Again, you can name your turtle anything you want. I'm going to do Tina equals turtle dot turtle with a capital T, and then open and close parentheses. Now you don't have to skip lines when you're entering the code. I'm just doing it so you guys can see it better. And so in order to give our direction to our turtle, we need to use a different function which will be called set heading. So oops, I named my turtle Tina, not Mr. Lemus. So let me go ahead and call Tina, and I'm going to go ahead and do set heading. And if you misspell it, it's not going to let you. And I'm going to go ahead and type 45. Now what that does is set the orientation of the turtle to go 45 degrees, which would be a 45-degree angle. Now it's basically starting at the center and it's turning 45 degrees. And now I'm going to go ahead and tell Tina, my turtle, to move forward a certain amount of pixels. I'm going to go ahead and go Tina forward, and let's make it go forward 100 pixels. And that should work unless I spelled something wrong. Let me go ahead and move this over so you can see it. You can always go full screen by clicking on what I call the hamburger and going full screen, but because I'm recording, it's not going to show the full screen, so I'm going to leave it this way. So let me click run, and you can see that our turtle, the first time when we made it go forward 100, it was going this way. And so now we made the turtle go 45 degrees, and we made it go 100. What happens if I change this number to 200? It just gets longer. Now let me go ahead and change it back to 100. What if I made the turtle go 90 degrees? Well, what direction do you think it's going to go? Well, oops, let me go ahead and click run. And so it makes it go up. Now 0 degrees, it's going to make it go straight. Now if you had 0 degrees, you can actually turn off the code. Let me go ahead and show you guys how to make a comment. If you put the hashtag sign, and it turns off that line of code, and so you can see that the turtle goes forward and this line of code is turned off. And let me show you, because I'm going to go ahead and make it 100, and you'll see that it's just going to go forward because that line of code is turned off. Now in the lesson, I tell you guys the directionality, the different angles. But let me go ahead and just show you quickly. Here's 45 degrees. This is 90, which I already showed you guys. 135, which is 90 plus 45. 180 will be going backwards. And you can see the arrow turning. And then you can keep going to 70, which will be straight down. And well, so forth. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do 300, and just to show you, that's how you set the turtle to go directions. And that's the video.